The power of letting go of the past. Many people hold on to the past. They think about old mistakes, old pain, and things that went wrong. But if we keep looking back, we cannot move forward. Let me tell you a quick story about Archie. Archie had a good job and a happy life. But in the past, something bad happened to him. A close friend betrayed him. Archie trusted this friend. But one day, the friend lied to him and borrowed some money. But his friend never returned any money to Archie. Archie felt angry and hurt. Even after many years, he would still think about it. When he thinks about it, he gets upset and it ruins his mood for a while. Because of this, he had trouble trusting new people and making new friends. He became very lonely and lived with fear and anger. One day, Archie realized that he was holding on to too much pain. He did not want to live like that anymore. Why should he let one bad friend ruin the rest of his friendships? So he made a choice. He took steps to let go of the past. Letting go of the past is not easy, but it is possible. Here are some ways you can do it. 1. Accept what happened. You cannot change the past, but you can decide how it affects you. If you keep thinking about past pain, you will never be free. 2. Forgive. Forgiving does not mean you forget. It means you stop letting the pain control you. Holding on to anger is like carrying a heavy bag. When you forgive, you drop the bag and feel lighter. 3. Focus on today. Every morning, tell yourself, today is a new day. The past cannot hurt you unless you let it. Do something that makes you happy. Enjoy the small moments in life. 4. Talk about it. Sometimes sharing your feelings with a friend or writing them in a journal helps. When you speak about your pain, it loses power over you. 5. Learn from it. The past teaches us lessons. Take the lesson and leave the pain behind. Every experience makes you stronger and wiser. Holding on to the past does not just affect your mind. It affects your heart and body too. When you keep thinking about painful memories, you feel stressed, sad, or even angry. This takes away your peace and happiness. Imagine trying to enjoy a beautiful day, but your mind keeps bringing back old problems. You are not really living in the present. You are stuck in the past. When you focus too much on what happened before, you rob yourself of today's joy. The past is like a closed book. If you keep reading the same pages again and again, you miss the chance to write a new story. But if you turn the page, you can create something new and beautiful. Letting go does not mean you ignore the past. It means you do not let it control you anymore. Life is too short to live in the past. Your future is waiting for you. Let go of the old leaves. Allow yourself to grow new happiness. When you let go, you open your heart to new experiences, new people, and a new life. You are strong. You are brave. You can move forward. Believe in yourself and you will find peace.